In this demo, we'll perform basic SQL operations on a relational database. All right, to get started in my demo, I've opened my Windows 11 Pro workstation and I've started MySQL Workbench. I've connected to my local instance of MySQL 80, and in Navigator, under Schemas, note that I have a demo_schema, and that's the one that I'll be using for this demo. Notice also in the work area, I have a couple of scripts open. I have a script named demo_schema_and_data, and that's a script that I ran in order to create my demo schema. I also have another script that we'll use to perform the so-called CRUD operations. We'll explore that shortly. But over Navigator, under schemas, I'll expand demo schema and tables. And that lists the tables that were created with this script. All groups, orders, user, user group, and user profile. We'll perform some basic SQL operations on some of these tables. Okay, so again, over in the work area, I'll select the demo_schema_CRUD_operations tab. What we're going to do is execute some CRUD operations. So on line 1, I indicate as much with a comment. Now the first step is to make sure that demo schema is the schema in use. So I'll highlight line 3, and line 3 is going to specify the use SQL command, and we're going to use demo_schema. So with line 3 selected, I'll select the execute icon in the toolbar, and done. So now down below under output, action number 1 shows use demo_schema. Okay, so now let's check the rows in the user table. So I'll highlight line 6, and this is just a simple select statement. So I'm selecting all columns from the user table. So select star from user. Again, I'll select the execute icon in the toolbar. And in the result grid, note that I have 3 users, and the user IDs are 1, 2, and 3. Now I don't have a 4th user, and that's what we're going to do in the next step. So first I'm going to resize the result grid, and I'm going to scroll down in the work area in my script, and on lines 9 and 10, I'm going to perform a create operation. So that's the C in CRUD. I'm using the insert into statement. So insert into user, user ID, username, email, password hash. So those are the columns. And then keyword values and the values themselves within parentheses. So the user ID is 4. The username is Raj Chawanda. The user's email and a password. Okay, so let's highlight lines 9 and 10. I'll select the execute icon. All right, and now down below again in the action output, note that the insert into statement has been recorded and 1 row